This is an expanded version of my proper tongue jack installation video showing more examples and details. If your tongue jack looks anything like the ones in these 5 pictures, you should consider replacing it. Seriously, if it has a broken crank handle, how can you call it a tongue jack? I just saw this one yesterday, and with a broken wheel, broken handle, and the U-brackets installed wrong, you might as well just remove this tongue jack. If you measure the bolt configurations of the U-brackets, you'll see they are made to fit multiple tongue height and width sizes. Bolts are long enough to fit the widest tongue, and brackets are long enough to fit the tallest tongue. These 5 pictures all show the U-brackets installed the wrong direction. If you put a new tongue jack on your new trailer, why would you install the brackets in a direction where they would bite into or crack your new paint? These next pictures show the tongue jack base bracket being installed on the frame the wrong direction. Most tongue jacks have the 1, then 4 bolt hole configuration. Both the top and bottom jack mount bolts need to be snug against the trailer tongue frame. Find the best bolt hole configuration to fit the jack base bracket and U-brackets to your trailer tongue. Since this base bracket is installed wrong, the jack lock pin is engaged good at the bottom but not the top. The next pictures show the bolts installed in the wrong holes. Both top and bottom bolts need to be snug against the trailer tongue frame. These 4 pictures show an improperly mounted tongue jack. The pictures after that, I'm going to show it corrected. These next 5 pictures show how I correctly mounted that tongue jack to the trailer. These next pictures show properly mounted tongue jacks on customers' trailers. Watch to the end and I'll show you jacks I have installed and what I do to cut off the extra long bolt portion sticking out. If you have a 2-inch or 3-inch wide tongue frame, you normally end up with the excess bolt sticking out pretty far from the jack. I like to use my DeWalt cutoff tool to cut and grind down the bolt head flush to the U-bracket, the tool I use is pictured. All of the last pictures here are jacks I have installed. Take note that the extra length of bolts have been cut off and ground smooth to the U-bracket height. The tongue jack I use the majority of the time I will list in my description. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one.